Welcome to the video tutorial about how to export the drawings and reports in the ESurvey Civil Tools Interface. In the Plan Profile tab, click on the Report button from the Quick Tools menu. The Drawing and Reports window will appear, and then select the road network lines for which you want to generate the drawing, area report, and volume report. Specify a folder name in which these outputs will be saved and click on the Generate button. For each road network line, 3 outputs will be generated. Area report, which will contain area calculation for each cross-section. Volume report, which will contain the total quantity calculation for a specific road. Drawing, which will contain the drawing containing plan, profile, and cross-sections. Generating volume summary report. In the Plan Profile tab, click on Volume Summary button. A volume report summary window will appear. You can export the summary report to Excel. Generate a plan drawing with required offset lines. In the Plan Profile tab, click on Offset Layers button from Quick Tools menu. In the Offset Layer window, select Remarks which you want to be displayed in the plan and then click Apply button. You may note that plan drawing is updated after applying the required remarks. To generate toe point report, click Comprehensive Plan tab and wait for a few seconds. A detailed drawing representing all the lines in the road network will be displayed. To export toe points of each network line, click on the Toe Export icon from a quick toolbar. In the Toe Point Export window, select Alignment Names from the list and click on the Export button. Thank you for watching this video.